Dooney's Handbags here, and welcome. Today, guys, as you can tell from the title, I do have a Dooney & Bourke unboxing. Now, I did pick this Dooney & Bourke bag up from QVC, so if you guys want to see the bag that I picked up, then please make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my video. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you guys, and it definitely helps my channel to grow, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy my content. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another unboxing. Now guys, I did pick this particular bag up from Dooney & Bourke. This is part of their fall drop by QVC. And your girl is super excited to be able to share with you guys the bag that I did pick up. Now I have already seen a few of you ladies here on YouTube share your unboxing of this particular bag as well too. Now the color is not new to my collection, but the leather is, guys, and I'm super excited because your girl picked up a suede bag from Dooney & Bourke, and it is my very first suede bag from them, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the unboxing up, and then I am going to reveal the bag to you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So as you can see, I did pick up the Dooney & Bourke barrel satchel, and it is in the beautiful color ivy. That is the sticker for it. And like I said, I did pick this bag up off of QVC. And this bag is still currently available on QVC. I have my laptop right here so that I can share with you guys the colors that are still available, the pricing, as well as the measurement. But let's go ahead and unpack this bag first. Ooh, this suede is gorgeous. This is beautiful, y'all. Alright, so it is in the color ivy. This is their barrel satchel. It does come with 4 feet on the bottom. That's reinforced with the leather tabs. It is a top handle bag. So let's get into this top handle. And this ivy color is really gorgeous, y'all. It is a nice dark green color, perfect for fall and winter season. Now this is the top handle here. It does come with the zipper that goes all the way down on the side, y'all. I am so glad that this bag has that on here. I love when the zippers go down on the side of the bag like that, because it gives for a nice wide opening. It does have the handles where they can fold down as well too. As you guys can see, all the hardware on the bag is in gold. It does have the Dooney & Bourke gold plate here on the front. It has the piping on both sides of the bag as well too, and you get that nice long zipper pull as well too, guys. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek into this cutie. All right. So see that nice wide opening. I love that. And it does have a dust bag in there. So let's go ahead and take the dust bag out. It does come with a crossbody as well too, so I'll go ahead and share the crossbody with you guys before we take a peek in the interior of the bag. Now, if you guys are new here, then you may not know that Dooney & Bourke quarantine satchels is one of my favorites, but I do love a good barrel style bag as well too. And this one is a barrel shape. And normally with the crossbodies, what I do is I make it into a short shoulder. So you guys see it has the adjustment here. And it does have the 2 hooks at the bottom. All right, so let's get into the interior of the bag. It does come with the red interior. On the back wall, it does have that zip and slip on the back wall, trimmed in the leather. And it does have the Dooney Bourke patch on the slip pocket. On the front wall, you do get a nice large slip pocket. And then you also get the key leash, which is here. Okay, so that is how it looks in the inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a nice roomy bag. Okay, so let's get into the details of this beautiful bag. So let's see. As far as the colors that are still available.
Hey guys, so I had to come on real quick and do a quick voiceover. This bag is sold out on QVC, but it is available on Dillard's.com in the color Brown Tomorrow as well as Honey, and the price is $378.
And as far as the measurements go for the bag, measurement wise, the height is 8 inches. And the length of the bag is 11 inches. Width of the bag is 6.5 inches. Now the handle on here is 5 inches, so it is enough that you can wear it on your wrist or even crooked an arm if you need to. And then it does come with the crossbody, so the crossbody length on here is 20.5 as well too, guys. And the weight of the bag is 2 pounds 10 ounces without anything in it, so it's a pretty lightweight bag as well too, but it's also a suede material, so that makes it lightweight as well too. Now this bag will get treated as well too with some apple guard just to protect the suede from any kind of stains like water drops or anything like that, guys. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Absolutely cute. I love this, and this is a great color for the fall season. So I just wanted to come on really quickly and share this with you guys. Let me know down below if you have any of the barrel satchels from Dooney Bourke in your collection. Let me know down below, and let me know if you guys picked up any suede bags this year for the fall and winter season as well too. And if you guys have stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and like this video. Also, do not forget to leave a nice comment down below. Make sure to share as well too, and click that bell, that way you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.